quick video setting up ping so that you can see it on the screen for any project you guys want to create. I don't know exactly how you want to see it formatted or done, so I'm just gonna do it in a very simple way. I'm just gonna have it in the corner. But yeah, so I'm just gonna show how to get it. So blueprint class, I'm gonna do user widget. User widget. This is just gonna be for the visual. So widget blueprint underscore HUD. You typically want to see ping when you're joining sessions and stuff. So maybe I'll do a video on that later if you guys are interested in seeing something like that. But canvas panel, I want to get a text because that's going to be what I'm going to be showing in the corner. So I'm going to do text. And that's going to be where my pig shows up because I'm not going to try too much on that. Let me go to graph. And then on construct, all I need is event construct. I'm going to create timer by event. Create timer by event. I'm just going to do timer by event. Set timer by event. I'm going to make it 0.5 seconds. And I'm going to make it looping so that it just keeps looping through every 0.5 seconds. So I'm going to create event. Sorry. I'm going to create a custom event. Oh, add custom event. Not remembering my lingo. All right, update ping. And then off of, I need to get owning player. Get owning player so that I get the player that's currently being controlled here. It's gonna be player state. Get player state. And then off of player state, I'm going to get, I'm gonna do get ping in milliseconds. And I'm gonna get it valid. Is valid, question mark. So I'm making sure that the player state is valid so we don't run into any errors there. And let me go back to my designer here because I need to make this text block a variable so I can pull out that information here. So get text, and then I can drag off of this text here. And let me get text, should be like get text. Drag the is valid on here. If it's valid, then we're going to do this. Update the ping, and I want to get the text here, but I want to format this text so that I get the MS at the very end of it. So instead of just giving me a number, it's going to give me MS at the end. So let me truncate this so that I'm not getting like decimal points. And then off of this, I can just drag to here, text to integer, and then I can add a pin here. And then if I click on the format text, I can actually change this pin so I can add like MS. And actually let me go to the front of this so I can add a space. Hey, what's up? It's me from the future. This is one of those videos that I never actually ended up submitting. Like one of the many videos I never actually ended up submitting. I still don't know if I'm gonna submit it, but I'm gonna fix some things. Apparently this didn't work. Well, it showed the text, but it didn't show the MS, and I guess I didn't notice until now or whatever. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix that right here by getting rid of this format text because I don't know how to get that working. And I'm gonna get rid of that to text there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna append this together. And let me just drag this onto here. And I'm gonna put a space and I'm gonna hit MS. Drag it onto here. And this way I'm getting the number and attaching to MS correctly, and you're actually gonna see it. So I'm going to compile and save. And I might as well continue with you here because you're not going to get the same results if I showed you what I did in the old video. I just showed the number. And I'm just going to hit play. And it should only appear on the client. I don't know what I told you guys. I don't really remember the video that well. But let's see. Yeah, that in the corner, my top left over there, is what the ping is. I don't know what you want to use that for, but yeah. And I believe that's everything. I don't really remember, so hopefully I went over everything I said I was. All right, I don't even know if I'm going to send this, but bye.